Brain mentioned heavy rain, strong winds tomorrow, and that comes just after Saturday's snowstorm. Fox 43's Robert Stover joins us live outside Swatara Township's office building in Dauphin-County. He's with public works officials who are preparing to address the storm's impacts.
Well, Evan, officials are preparing for yet another severe storm that's expected to hit tomorrow. With that, flooding may occur as well as strong winds. Now, when I spoke to officials here at Swatara Township Public Works Department, they told me they're getting ready for every worst scenario. As the leftover snow and ice from Saturday's snowstorm melts away, Fox 43's Weather Smart team expects another storm system to pound portions of the region, bringing heavy rains and wind speeds over 40 miles per hour. Todd Webb, Swatara Township's Public Works Director, says he and his team are prepared to face the storm head on.
We're making sure we double check all our chainsaws, all our PPE equipment. We have dump trucks that are ready to go and loaders that are ready to go in case we got to go out and remove trees off of roads.
Over the weekend, crews moved snow piles to make space for rain runoff.
Tomorrow is one of the exact reasons why we do that. We push everything back to the curb because that helps keep the inlets open.
Clogged inlets can create ponding, which can result in flooded intersections on main roads and in neighborhoods.
As much as we're cleaning up from the snow, now we have to kind of switch gears and clean everything up to get ready for the rain.
Webb says there's ways people can mitigate flooding in their neighborhoods by doing routine maintenance checks around their homes.
The biggest thing that I would tell people is make sure your downspouts are clear. And the biggest thing is make sure that the sump pumps in your basement are working.
Webb encourages people to have an emergency readiness kit in case high winds knock out power.
We continue to do everything that we normally do to prevent the next disaster from happening or defend as much against it as you can.
Now, Evan, it is worth mentioning how crews are prepared to combat the flooding even into Wednesday, as the effects of flooding are expected to be felt even hours after the rain stops. That especially goes for anyone living near creeks or ponds where water is already high from the melted snow this past weekend. Live from Swatara Township, Dauphin County, Robert Stover, Fox 43 News.